So this is how we create a class. Now within the class, we can have data members and member functions. What are data members? The variables which are declared within the class are called data members. The data which we use within the class is called data member. Now let's take here int id as the variable. I'm not giving value, just I'm declaring id. And member function is the function which will be present in the function which is present within the class is called member function. And let's take here void display, which is going to display id here. So how to write a function and the syntax for writing function, how to declare variables, that in a separate video we already have on the channel, you can refer. Also in future videos we will be adding all these details. So here in this function I will be just printing id. I'm printing without any string, or let's take here a string id is, and then let's print just the id variable value. When you give within quotes anything, that is as it is printed, and the variable value if you want to print, just variable name without enclosing in quotes we give. So here is the class student, and class is always ended with semicolon. Within the class we have data member and member function. You can have multiple data members and multiple member functions, but I have taken only one data member and one member function, which is printing id data member. Now to access this, whatever we write within class is not accessible outside the class, and also because main function is outside the class, we will not be able to access this id from main. So for that purpose we need to declare here id and function as public. So under public access specifier, so public keyword followed by colon we write, and under this we write id and also a function. So both will become public now. So now in the main, if you want to access id and assign value and also call the function, then you need to create object for the class, which is created using the class name. So in our case, class name is student followed by object name I'm giving s1. And now using this s1, I can access, you can see we got suggestion also, id we can access, which I'm giving as 101, and then print it. We can call the function display, which we are again getting in suggestion. This way, using the object of class, we can access id and assign value to it, also call the function display. So now if I compile, I get 0 errors or warnings, and when I run, I get output id is 101 according to this display function. So this is how we create data members and member functions.